Welcome to Piedmont.
Everyone here cares about you.
We're in 6th grade right now.
I was scared for middle school at first, but coming here I realized that it's not as bad as you might think it is. You know, middle school seems scary and all that stuff, but you make friends and the teachers are so nice, and you go on field trips and you do all these fun projects and activities, and it just ends up being a really cool experience overall.
Piedmont is nice. It's a friendly environment too. The teachers are here for you. You have your classmates with you. It's there's not a lot of bullying at the school either. It's like everyone's close to each other. There's somewhat a lot of students here, not too crowded, but it's a lot of people. They're different groups, so not necessarily like a super popular group or lame kids. It's just wherever you fit in at. You could be yourself here because there's gonna be people like you here. It's very diverse.
I like the diversity at Piedmont.
You don't feel like you have to change anything about yourself, and you will definitely find like your group of friends that you feel like you can like just be comfortable around. And like while you have your group of friends, you also have like everyone else like you can feel comfortable talking to.
And it's very cool to interact with them and learn different stuff that I never knew.
The first thing that I kind of thought when I came here is that, do I have friends here? Would I make friends? But I made a lot of friends.
And Piedmont's also good because they have amazing teachers. They want to work here.
The thing I like about Piedmont is the teachers. They're nice and fun, and they interact with you, and they never just sit at their desk and do nothing.
And they really push you forward to your best of your ability, and it's a great environment to be in.
So everyone here is very open, very caring. All the teachers, staff, the counselors are very nice.
The teachers will be here for you, like if it's not your day or if you're feeling bad.
Even teachers who you don't even have, like they're all just like, come.
Yeah, they're welcoming and understanding, and usually will help you out with your problems.
It's so family oriented. They might give you a lot of work, but they will help you. They'll back you up no matter what.
I think one of my favorite things is we do a lot of interactive projects that you don't necessarily have to do at home, but like in class with groups.
Here's to resources.
Split up into groups and like make little skits.
Learn more about things going on around the world.
My friends, they don't really go to this school. Like, they don't do any homework or they don't get a lot of work. And I'm over here like, I can do an essay in 15 minutes if you just give me the time.
All of our classes are fun. They're not like, oh, it's homework. We do lots of interactive stuff.
My brother went here when I was in elementary school, and he would always have a lot of homework, and I noticed that. But I also noticed that he was getting a lot of amazing opportunities, and he was doing so many great things and so many fun things. So I was like, I want to do that too.
Since we're obviously an IB school, we have to, go farther into our learning environment.
Be ready for IB assessments.
Okay, cool.
Yep. That's pretty much it. Extra.
Well, the design cycle is basically a bunch of criterions that you have to follow to plan and develop your projects. So it's kind of like getting to know your project before you actually meet your project.
So you get out of your comfort zone. Like when you get out of this class, if you're shy, you're not gonna be shy anymore. You're gonna be like open.
Yeah, I feel it really increased my self-confidence. Like last year I wasn't very confident in myself. But after being in this class for a few months, I feel really exhilarated. I feel opened up a little bit.
Yeah, and Mr. Reddick is a great leadership teacher.
Yes.
My favorite part about mock trial as a teacher is seeing all the kids grow with their public speaking and their confidence being in front of other people.
You try out and you either are assigned the role of an attorney or a witness.
The best thing about it was you got the experience of an actual lawyer, and man, their job is hard.
Cross country is fun. It's fun and you get to run trails and it prepares you for track and the big 5K race.
It's really, really fun.
With IB, science and social studies are
about North Carolina and 13 colonies. And now that we've moved farther down through the notebook, we're learning about the 3 branches of government, and we previously learned about the Articles of Confederation, the weaknesses and the strengths of the Articles of Confederation.
We read a lot of good books.
Cite evidence,
Explain evidence,
sum it up.
Cite evidence, explain evidence, and summarize.
Yes.
The new friends you can make.
They are groups.
I'm Jade. Who? This is just Braylon. Dude, me too. He was in my pre-K.
The new things you can discover.
You come into the classroom, she's playing our song of the month now.
Get to have different electives and learn different stuff, not just strictly math, science, social studies, theater, different languages.
Vive la France!
It's a very good place to go.
And that was the main reason why I wanted to go to Piedmont, because I've heard so many good things about Piedmont, and I think that was like the best decision I ever made right now in my 13 years of my life. And
That is why I like Piedmont.
Really do not have to be embarrassed at all, because everybody has questions, and I will tell you, no matter how dumb they might sound, it will help you in the long run.
Jump in and do your work.
Well, shouldn't I just do it the night before it's due?
No, that's a terrible idea. Do not try that ever, ever.
Why shouldn't I do that?
Because you need to make sure you plan your project, because the more you plan and put
Have a
thought.
better understanding of your project.
Yeah.
And then if you're just doing it the night before, then you're just like, okay, this is what I have to do, and this is when I have to do it. And then it's not a good idea to just rush and do everything, because in your brain it's crammed with all these ideas, and when you do the design cycle and you're spreading everything out and taking your work all nicely is organized.
Taking notes and paying attention is always important, because at home, when it's time to do your homework, it's good to look back at what you learned in class, because sometimes you forget. So it's good to be attentive in class.